a while ago I noticed that the right hand screen of my display became unresponsive. But there is a workaround. If you tap on the button you want and then press on the other side of the screen in alignment, it lets you select it. So radio 1, you can see that it selects heart radio, it selects, and it works on all sorts of functions as well. So if I want the settings button, it seems to be the right distance apart you need. So mine is probably about 10 centimeters apart, seems to select it. So if I go for menu and I want information, information works because it's enough over the right hand side of the screen. But if I want car wings, then if I tap here you can see it's working. If I go car wings settings, it's actually really responsive now. There's not much I need on the right hand side of the screen. With the radio stations I can tap in the middle and it works absolutely fine. It's just things that are on the far right of the screen that it really struggles with. But yeah, this fix works every time and it's really responsive. Now you can swap out the screen, but obviously that costs money, and if you don't really need to, then use this free hack. Okay, hope this helps.